Creating a Coinbase account in the United Kingdom is a straightforward process that anyone can do. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to set up your account. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase. Once you're on the Coinbase website, which is coinbase.com, you'll see an option to sign up. Click on Sign Up to start accessing the Coinbase platform. You can also download the Coinbase app on your Android device for convenience. When signing up, you'll be asked whether you want to create a business account or an individual account. Choose Individual and click on Get Started. Next, you'll need to fill in your personal information. It's important to use the information exactly as it appears on your ID card. After providing your information, you may need to verify your identity to prove that you're a real person. Once you've completed these steps, your Coinbase account will be ready to use. Keep in mind that if Coinbase is not available in your region, you may encounter restrictions during the sign-up process. That's all there is to it. Now you're ready to start using your Coinbase account to trade cryptocurrencies. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.